Hey everyone, Vision AutoWorks here. We have something different and special on the table here today. These are JDM Toyota Corolla AE86 Levin lights that we finished up. These are a very old school type headlight in stock form, so the first thing we had to do was actually find some custom headlight lens covers for them. The originals are a heavily fluted glass lens, so you really can't see anything inside or through them. This customer wanted something special, so we ended up using the Honda Accord 9th Gen LED Touring headlights. These projectors are a dual square, kind of a jewel eye type look projector. Now inside we also have the profile prism LED strips mounted, so these act as demon eyes. Custom paintwork involved here. We painted the housings black. The reflector bowls are a metallic silver, and the brand new corner lamps were painted a dark gunmetal to kind of contrast with the black housing on the headlights.